It's day 3 of the Onyx.
What's up?
What's up?
Just got my jorts on. Ready for another day on Hal Johns today. It's a freaking awesome trail, man. I'm breathing hard too, because I can't even walk down the freaking stairs. So sore.
Everything hurts.
Everything hurts.
Happy birthday to my little bro. Happy birthday. He smells like a butthole. Happy birthday, my little bro. Happy birthday. It's birthday day, big 4-0.
What's up, everybody?
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh, what was that?
Wrong show.
Weird. You walk like, oh God, I stink so bad, dude. You smell that?
No.
Holy, it's following me.
Because it's you.
That was funny last night when you were like walking behind him, like I was like, let me walk like you. He's like,
This is Diesel's impression of him walking like a normal person.
I know.
Yeah, just like that.
All right, how do I do it? That's pretty good.
You got a little more torso wobble.
Dude, I can't do it.
We don't drunk march everywhere.
He looks like he's storming into Poland.
Yeah, why don't you drive the Unimog today? There, Hitler.
Like when Diesel's like this, like he'll be like standing pretty normal, but then like he's got to get into gear, so like he gets into gear.
He has to put it too low.
Yeah.
All right, so day 3 here at the Onyx events in South Dakota. We're on Hal Johns again today. We're starting right in the middle of the trail, trying to get 3 or 4 sections done today. We're doing the Waterfall, which everybody loves. It's been great so far. Knock on wood, we haven't had any major breaks. So we'll see how today goes.
Hal Johns is laid out in 12 sections. Sections can be from 50 yards to 200 yards long, and every section has its own difficulty. Body damage is likely, and if you're worried about it, you can always skip a section and use the ATV path. This word means different things to different people. Hobby, freedom, adventure, and most importantly, lifestyle. Whatever your meaning is, the one part we tend to get most excited for is the build. Finding that part to fit a need, talking to others about their parts, and buying the best parts available. Some people say a Jeep build is never fully done. The key is to find parts that allow you to expand the build and to function together throughout the iterations. Artec Industries provides a nearly endless catalog and introduces new parts for your ever-changing Jeeping adventures. Leading up to this day, everyone has been excited to get to the infamous waterfall on Hal Johns. We tried to get to it last year, but it was completely flooded. Today, we're in luck. It's dry. But first, we need to deal with another trail repair on Krusty.
Krusty chase vehicle.
What happened, Rob?
The center pin in my leaf spring broke off. So I just got to replace it because now the axle's sliding back and forth.
We need like a 24.
When you're bored
Yeah.
and waiting for your friend to fix his rig, you keep yourself entertained by any means possible.
Everybody in the club getting tipsy.
Everybody in the club getting tipsy. Boots with the fur. Fur. Oh, look at that bead of sweat, Matt. Ooh, glistening.
I'm fat. I sweat all the time.
Well, me too.
Line it up with the closest form.
I think it's the middle one. I think
Oh, you caught me, dude. I'm a mechanic, not a plumber. God, listen to those fucking 4-year-old fucking.
they're only 2.
That's like the speed and
Never
what
mind.
Rob's bed sounds
The
like
fucking
when he's
tunnel.
having sex.
We got either.
Diesel's like the kid holding the flashlight right now for daddy.
Hold it still!
Fudge!
So tappers.
You're not shining it in the right spot.
Stop moving!
That was the right one at the bottom.
Oh God, that's enough. Oh shit.
Shit, what?
I think something's gonna happen. I don't know. Oh God. Somebody's gonna fucking die, and I think it's me. God.
Diesel,
Yes, sir.
can we see your butthole again?
I do not put that on. I have family members.
For those keeping score at home, that's now 2 taillights for Adam. And if you look closely, Matt's trying to get footage of the broken taillights, but he didn't turn on the camera.
Go hand it down.
It's different now than what it was then.
From East Coast woods to West Coast desert. It's Murphy's Law, so you got a plan for the inevitable. And it all begins with a start. Start going for it. Start hammering down. Start getting better from your mistakes. Start seeing your team's hard work pay off. Because in our world, there's only one rule. Never stop starting. The Optima Signature 6-pack with up to 15 times vibration resistance. Optima, the ultimate power source.
So what line are you taking, Rob?
I don't know. There's so many choices.
On this trail system, scouting your line first is highly recommended.
I mean, the bitch is getting through here.
You
really gotta
mark it
get-
on 39.
Look
Let's go.
above me to see if it can come down.
Yeah, but this looks like it moved.
You get your drivers up on this. Get your passenger up in here.
Yeah.
You'll be high enough to clear your diff.
No, I didn't. It looked like there was an undercut there. Yeah, just ride it right up here.
And then just climb. You're gonna have to probably hit this with your driver tire too.
Yep.
Maybe try to get around. Maybe try to get around it and get your rear up on it.
Yeah, and then get
That's
up
what I
there, and
did.
You're gonna have to swing around it.
Yep.
Go.
Your turn.
Go.
Do it. Go. Now.
Going.
Go.
God.
There are some things that a woman will do for an engagement ring, and then there are some things that a woman just won't do. Ellie is terrified of off-camera stuff, but she very badly wants an engagement ring.
Come with me right now. As soon as we get home, we'll go buy one.
But then I'll But then I'll know it's gonna happen. Then I'll know it's gonna happen.
So
You're gonna win.
yeah, it's a win-win situation.
But you can finance it right now if you wanted to.
Yeah, if I wanted to, but I don't want to. Can I ride with? You don't have to buy me a ring.
No, go ahead, because I got
She's waited 5 years for a proposal, and now that she has one, she passes.
You won't die, you'll just get a ring.
No, I don't want to. I'm scared.
Pussy.
Like Dallas Cowboy fans always say, there's always next year.
Help, everybody get in. Everybody but Allie.
So, how many sections, Josh? We said 10? 12.
There's 12.
12 sections of Hal Johns. We've done 8 or 9. So we skipped a couple easy ones and one pretty gnarly one that we're gonna go look at just to see if we can do it the rest of the day. We'll see, because it's getting late, but not too late.
So today is day 3, Onyx 2020, Black Hill, South Dakota. We did all of the remainder part of Hal Johns. So we did section 5 through the end. Sorry, I'm looking at Matt off screen here. 5 through the end. It was super good. We had some good successes and some pretty good failures, but we really did good as a team again today. Got everybody up everything. We did have one trail break today from Austin. He lost the front drive shaft, but we were right at the end of a section. Couldn't have been a better place.
Yeah,
we were right at the end of a section, right on the bypass road that you would take to get as far in or out as you want. So we pulled his front drive shaft and he was two-wheeling out, and that's fine.
Yep.
And then, man, it was just a really good day. At one point in time, I thought I was gonna cry because I was so emotional. So it was really a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I mean,
I can see him when he got up the waterfall, he was amped up, and he had to sit down because he was so amped up. It was great. Loved it.
But I popped my cherry on body damage today and the whole 9 yards. So, fuck, that looks worse from this angle than it does looking at it the other way. So yeah, it was a good time, really good time. I can't wait to see what tomorrow has in town. I can't wait for all you guys to be able to check it out.
Heck yeah.